Indian School Council I said in the beginning, but it is Indian School Certificate. He's your assistant, right?
If I want to go, he should move.
Okay, okay.
ஒரு குரூப்புக்கு ரெண்டு வாட்டி மெசேஜ்
Okay, very good evening, both offline and online. Nivasini also.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Today, in our session, we'll do numericals on coming CPT syllabus. We'll work out problems on waves, velocity of the transverse waves, etc. Okay? Did I share the PDF? No, ipo panna pora.
Okay, sir. Sir, yesterday you searched this, sir. You didn't get that file, so that you sent something Excel file. Excel file only. The error is
Now I'm sending on the title, on the heading, you know, the heading. Waves and velocity of transverse wave title is there. Solve level 1, level 2 problems. First you finish level 1, then you do level 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is enough now. 11th IIT parents not required, no?
No, sir.
First one is synopsis theory will be there.
Okay, sir.
And second one, 2 levels are there. Try. Okay.
Solutions?
Hints will be given. No solutions.
Sir,
Clue.
solutions will be there, sir. Option A, option B.
Key, that is key. Solution means full detailed solving. Will not be way. Only hint you will get here. The thing is having coffee. Okay, students, so we'll work on it. Okay, can you try question number 1?
Progressive wave and transverse wave are same, sir.
Meaning same. Meaning same means Transverse waves are progressive waves. Progressive means which are going forward. Do the paper or can tell. Don't guess. No issue. No, sorry. So the equation y is equal to how much here?
4 sin phi.
4 into sine of pi 200 into t minus x by 25 represents a transverse wave that travels in a stretched wire where x and y are in centimeter and t is in seconds. Its wavelength and velocity are how much is asking. So y is equal to how much? 4 into sine of pi into 200 into t minus x by 25. Pi you send inside. What do you get? 4 into sine of 200 pi into t minus pi into x by 25. It is similar to what equation? Respond. Omega t minus kx only, na? So k is same as pi by 25 only, na? Correct or not? K equal to how much? Pi by 25. K means what here? 2 pi by lambda. Correct? Formula.
Yes, sir.
Pi cancels out. So wavelength equal to how much here? 25 2s are how much? 50 centimeter. Because everything is given centimeter, na? So wavelength also you will get centimeter. But all options are in meters per second. Meters. So means 0.5 meter only, na?
Yes, sir.
50 by 100.
Hmm.
Correct? And second answer I have to find. What is the velocity of the wave? What is the velocity of the wave? Omega by k only, na? This is omega only, no? Omega value how much? 200 into pi divided by k value how much? Pi by 25. Pi by 25. 25 will go to upside. Pi cancels out. Velocity how much? 5000 centimeters per second. Centimeter 5000 into centimeter equal to how much? 10 power minus 2 meters per second. So that is how much? V is equal to
50 meter.
10 power 3 minus 10 power 2 how much? 50 meters per second. Option 2 is the correct answer. Clear? Try second problem. One thing I will do, level 2 I will do. Level 1 I will leave as a homework. Clear? Level 2 we will do now. Okay. Level 1 tomorrow you do. Try question number 1, everyone.
Equation of progressive waves.
Yes. Will you try? Try. Please try, everyone.
Multiple direction. Oh no, okay, I see that.
The equation of progressive wave is given something. Solve.
So,
Third option. Huh? Only B and C are true. Huh? Okay, anyway, Y is given what? 0.01 into sine of how much? 100 into t minus 1 into x. Na? It looks like what? Y is equal to a into sine of omega t minus k into x. And omega equal to how much? 100. K equal to how much? 1. And a is equal to this much. Correct? So what is velocity of the wave equal to formula? V equal to omega by k. Omega value how much? 100 by 1. So 100 meters per second. So option 1 is perfectly wrong.
So we left with only option 3.
So
Every option contains option A.
yeah, very good. Then B and C are not true. Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Anyway, B I will solve for your idea. Maximum velocity formula. If you tell only, I will do. A omega only, na?
Yes, sir.
Because y is equal to a into sine of omega t minus kx means if you differentiate it, you will get velocity. What is velocity? Minus a omega into cosine of omega t minus kx. Sorry, here plus omega t is there, na? So plus omega will come. And what is acceleration equal to?
A square omega square
Minus a omega square into sine omega t minus kx. So this is called maximum velocity. This is called maximum acceleration. So what the amplitude is given?
0.01.
This is only, na? So 0.01 into omega value 100. So 1 meter per second is our answer. Wavelength is asking. K value how much? 1, na? 1 means what? 2 pi by lambda. Lambda value how much here? 2 pi meter. Clear? Huh? So as you told, 3 is the perfect answer for this question. Can you try question number 2? I will also help you. Try you first. A wave pulse on a string has dimensions shown in the figure. Wave speed is given 1 centimeter per second. If point O is a free ender, then the shape of wave at the time 3 seconds, how much he is asking. Option 2. Image justify? No justification. Anyway. Is asking after 3 seconds what a distance traveled by wave? What a distance traveled by wave after 3 seconds? Speed of the wave into time taken. Na? What is speed of the wave? 1 centimeter per second. Time taken is 3. So 3 centimeters it will travel. Correct? So means exactly this tip will go like this one. Na? This peak point will reach this O. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here 1 centimeter is there. Here 2 centimeter is there. So the peak will come like this. Understood? So we after 3 seconds, as it is free end means it will appear like this. Correct? So how much that is the answer? This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. So option 2 is only the perfect answer. Very good. Understood, everyone?
Sound waves are represented of their amplitude.
Try this problem. Two sound waves are represented by y1 equal to sine omega t plus cosine omega t. Second wave, something is given. The ratio of their amplitude, how much is asking. Any sound wave should not contain these two terms. Na? What is sound wave function? Y is equal to how much, right? A into sine of omega t minus kx. Only one format should be there, na? Correct or not? So two formats you have, two terms you have to eliminate and you have to convert it into single format. I will tell one simple method you are doing in a mathematical way, but in physics method I will do it. It's very simple. Okay. Look here, Jiva. The strategy is very important. You are doing correct. I am understanding what you are doing. See, y1 equal to how much? Shall I write y into sine omega t plus 1 into cosine omega t? Shall I write? And 1 into sine omega t, cosine omega t shall I write? 1 into sine of omega t plus 90 I will write.
Yes, sir.
This is vector I will write. It is making with x-axis 0 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Right or not? One is radius of that circular path only, na? I mean amplitude only, na? So I can represent the amplitude like this now. 1. This amplitude vector, how I can write? Making plus 90 degree means anti-clockwise. Plus means what? Anti-clockwise only, na? So it is like this only, na? Then I want net amplitude. What is net amplitude? According to parallelogram law of vector addition, this is the diagonal representing net amplitude only, no? Say sir, no. Net amplitude how much? Under root of 1 square plus 1 square means root 2. So how I can write this resultant equation? Y is equal to root 2 into sine of omega t plus some initial phase. This is only initial phase, na? How you can write tan?
Option 4, sir.
Option 4. I will check, Srinidhi.
Okay, sir.
Spelling correct, huh?
No, sir. D. D, sir.
DH, okay, sorry. I will change her. No time actually. Lot of tasks are there for me. But a pi value, tell me tan pi equal to how much? Upward side by adjacent side, na? Pi value how much? 45.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is a new wave equation. If you add these two waves, what resultant wave will be? Root 2 into sine of omega t plus pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
Now you people have to do the same thing. You have to simplify in this method. Now you have to do. What is the resultant wave equation? It is your task. Option 4 only. Yeah? Okay. Let me check it out. What is the second wave equation? Y2 equal to root 3 by 2 into sine omega t plus half into cosine omega t. As usual, same method. Root 3 by 2 into sine omega t plus cosine omega t. As usual, what I can write? Sine omega t plus 90 only. Na? How will you write this in vector format? Like this only, na?
Yes, sir.
Root 3 by 2,
1 by 2.
making with this x-axis 0 angle.
Yes, sir.
How will you write into vector format?
Half 90.
1 by 2 and plus means anti-clockwise. Be careful. You know everything max, everyone. Plus means
90 clockwise.
plus 90 means anti-clockwise angle. Minus 90 means clockwise angle from x-axis. So what is the net amplitude? The diagonal of the parallelogram is representing net amplitude. How much that is? Under root of how much? Root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So what you can write? Under root of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So 1 only. What the net amplitude is? 1. So here we got A1 equal to how much? 1. And A2 value how much? Sir, A1 value root 2. A2 value how much we got? 1.
1,
He's
sir.
asking ratio. So very good. Root 2 by 1 only the
Root 2
correct
by 1.
answer for the question. Clear? Very, very important strategy. This is called vector method. What is the name of the method? Vector method. Other than any method, if you use, it will go very big. You can try also. I think you people might have done that cosine you converted or
Yes, sir.
sin c plus sin d, that method you have used. Try this fifth problem. Okay, everyone, this is your next problem. A uniform rope of length, how many meter? 12 meter and mass 6 kg hangs vertically from a rigid support. A block of mass, how many kilograms? 2 kg is attached at the free end of the rope. A transverse transverse pulse of wavelength 0.06 meter is produced at the lower end of the rope. The wavelength of the pulse when it reaches the top of the rope is how much?
Sir, what is pulse, sir? Whether it is related to
Pulse means wave only. You just imagine half oscillated your hand at lower end. How much wave you produce? Half of the wave only you produce, na? That will go top side. What will happen? You have to check. You know, velocity formula how much? Under root of tension by mu, no? Velocity of the wave equal to how much? Frequency into lambda. Means lambda directly proportional to tension, na? At the topmost point, tension is more, no? So wavelength also more. Means the wave pulse going from lower end to upper end, what will happen? Its wavelength increases, that's all. It is getting bigger. You try for 2 minutes, struggle for 2 minutes. Definitely you can do it.
Sir, the 6 kg is mass of the rope, sir.
Of course. नल्ला यूज करेंगे नल्ला यूज करेंगे
Sir, I thought that is also another block and I took it as 8 kg only I didn't use mass.
That is hinted to find mu, I think.
Mass unit.
And it is I will give one more hint. Write two equations at lower end and upper end and divide them. You will get the lambda 1 by lambda 2. Yes. Velocity of the wave equal to frequency into wavelength. No?
Sir, velocity or time period, sir?
Frequency equal to 1 by time period.
For that, we need to find time period first. No, sir, you
No
want
need.
V is equal to F by lambda or
F into lambda.
V is equal to F into lambda.
Formula.
And you directed a narrow approach, sir. I thought that T is equal to F into lambda.
No. Velocity equal to frequency.
Not that arrow, another arrow.
This
That one.
Okay.
From lambda it came to T, no, sir, that one.
Okay. No. That is no link. Again, I am writing velocity of the wave equal to frequency into lambda equal to how much? Under root of tension by mu. Okay. First half I will do it. Then second half I will leave it. See, this is a horizontal ceiling. This is a rope. You attached one block also. Please respond at the lower end. What is the tension? If you tell only, I will write. At point P, only the weight of the load only putting tension. Na? But the weight of the load 2 into 10 means very good, 20 Newton. So I can apply this concept here. F into wavelength equal to under root of tension equal to how much? 20 by mu. Mu means what? Nothing but linear mass density. Mu equal to, if you write also no problem, if you don't write also no problem. Now in second situation you have to find at point Q, what is the tension?
At point Q, it is weight of the string plus.
Very good, wonderful. At point Q, weight of the rope is putting tension, weight of the block also putting tension, na?
Yes, sir.
So what tension at point Q?
Point 80, sir.
80 Newton, very good. So I can write F into lambda 2 equal to how much? Under root of tension 80 by mu. I think the rest is history. Tell me the answer.
This is history. Sir,
1 by 4. FF cancels out, mu cancels out. So lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to how much? Under root of 20 by 80. 0, 0 cancels.
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2 means 0.5.
0.5.
Sir, they gave a lambda 1, sir. They gave lambda 1. We can substitute. 4 times, sir. They 1 by 4 square root and 1 by 2.
Okay, sorry, he's asking lambda 2 students.
Okay,
very good. Lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to 1 by 2. I want lambda 2 now. Lambda 2 equal to how much? 2 times of lambda 1. What lambda 1 value? Wavelength of the wave at the end how much? 0.06. Actually, this is not your answer. I confused that he is asking lambda 1 by lambda 2. So how much that is? 0.12. Means option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Two by 8 means 1 by 4. Under root means what? 1 by 2. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I think this is no need of doing. It's a direct you will tell.
Option 4.
Wrong.
No, sir.
You have to do. I also thought like that. But no.
Half length, sir. Then you should
half
take L by
length.
2, sir.
Don't take.
And differentiate.
No. Half like that you can't do. You have to differentiate.
It's not
Compulsory. Yes.
okay, string of length L and speed.
Will you do it as similar model? Yesterday we did.
Option 1 rejected, sir.
I don't know. Do it. Don't eliminate like that. Do it scientifically.
Full length.
He is correct, Vishal. Option 1 eliminated. Correct only.
Today we do differences. Same thing.
Same thing you have to do. What you have to do? Take one horizontal ceiling. Take one string. Take origin here. This time here origin lower end point. What you have to do? Take one element, no? Correct? Take one element at a distance what?
Sir, option 3, sir.
X meter and take length of the element how much? Dx meter. What the velocity of the wave which is crossing length element dx? Dx by dt only, na? That equal to how much? Under root of tension by mu.
Sir, option 2, sir. 3. I'll go 3, sir. Sir, I'll go 2, sir.
I will check. Where is option 2?
I am telling
Vishal. Then GUI is telling this.
Here is neither option 4. No.
Option 4 100% wrong. The total time taken to reach topmost point. What a tension at that point P, this element, tell me. So tell only I will write. That is mu into x into g only, na? Only this weight only providing tension at that point, na? So mu into, I mean linear mass density into length and divided by mu. Mu cancels out. So what I can write? Under root of x into g into dx equal to how much? Dt. Integrate on either sides. From where to where? When a t equal to 0, x value how much? 0. At, after t seconds, x equal to how much?
X is integrated
L
from
by
L
2.
to 0 only, sir. No, L by 2 to 0 only, sir.
0 to L by 2. Now, origin I placed at lower end, no?
We can take it from L by 2 to L, sir. Okay.
No. Should
Okay,
not
0
take.
to L by 2.
0 to L by 2. When he is asking that question, then you do like that.
Oh, from
Next.
bottom to half length, okay, sir. I
Yes.
read the
Middle point to topmost point. Next now, next you have to do.
okay.
After I am solving, that is your next task.
Okay.
So 1 by under root of g integration of x power minus 1 by 2 into dx, na? And integration of 1 into dt how much? T, put the limits from 0 to t. And what about integration of x power minus 1 by 2? X power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. From 0 to L by 2. And here equal to t. Huh? You want to say anything?
That is x 2 into under root of x, and that integration value.
Anyway, I let me go in my own flow. Yesterday trust matter came, okay?
Because of this.
So
Sir, you asked differentiation, sir. I told correct. Yes, sir.
again covering. I asked integration. I wrote integration.
You asked what is the differentiation of 1 by root x after 1 by 2, sir.
So 1 by 2. 2 will go this side, and from 0 to L by 2 and equal to t. So then put the upper limit first. So L by 2 under root minus 0 equal to t. One thing I did mistake. G I forgot. Under root of g will come here. Here also under root of g. Here also under root of g.
2 into under root of.
Then answer is 2 under root of L by 2g. Is your answer.
Sir, if you bring the 2 inside, it will be.
If you bring the 2 inside, it will become 4. So cancel. T equal to under root of 2L by g is your answer.
It's a mistake, sir.
No, you never do mistake. Okay, now one question for you. You people have to no. You can do it easily. From middle point to topmost point, how much time taken? Tell me. Total time, you know. Total time minus this time. Correct? So I will not ask this problem. Understand? I will ask you what the time taken to travel from what do you say L by 4 meters to 1/4 of length to 3L by 4 distance. The time starts. Are you understanding the question? Find the time taken by the wave pulse to travel from L by 4 to 3L by 4 distance. Upside it is going. Just to change the limits here. That's all. I have taken 0 to L by 2 now. This time what you have to do? L by 4 to 3L by 4 you have to put the limits here. This step alone you have to change, na?
Yes, sir.
And tell me.
Sir, L by 4. I got root 3 minus 1 into.
Root 3?
Minus 1.
Ah.
No, sir. Outside the root only.
Ah.
Minus 1 multiplied by root L.
Multiplied by root L.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That's all.
No, sir. This whole root 3 minus 1 whole multiplied by
Like
into
this.
root L. Yes, sir.
Root 3 minus 1 and root L.
Yes, sir.
Where is G gone?
That will come
Swallowed.
divided by G. Divided by G.
Divided by G. Okay.
Root G. Root G.
Root G. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's thinking.
Thinking okay. இதிலே இந்த 2 into root L by அந்த இடத்துல வந்து root 3L by 4 போட்டுருவோம் minus root L by 4 போட்டுருவோம் root 3 minus 1 into L by 4 root 2 cancel ஆகும்.
This is just limits have to change, Vishal.
Yes, sir.
From L by 4 to 3L by 4. This is your answer. That's all. So 2 under root of 3L by 4
minus
G minus 2 under root of L by 4 into G. That's all. 2 is missing here.
Sir, that 2 gets cancelled.
Correct. 2 and 4 cancels out, no?
Yes, sir.
So it's perfect. Okay, I hope this is very important strategy. Compulsory. What right? 4.
So
I said important strategy.
compulsory important. Here, bag it back for class with it.
So these questions I will give homework 8 and 9. Try.
Questions. Sir, check in level 1 any speed of we have only wave equation and speed of transition, sir. Oscillation. This book this is level 1, level 2 or level 1, sir?
Level 1. Already shared, but anyway, I'm first to do these problems.
I don't need physics volume
1. For JEE means additionally level 3, level 4, level 5 will come. Different patterns.
Instead of pasting
Hand and mind coordination. Clear? Let's try these problems. And tomorrow we'll discuss doubts. Okay? Thank you, students. Bye. Take 5 minutes break.